This is the Keurig coffee maker, and I'm going to show you how it works in a second here. So first, let me show you the interface. Turn it on, and this doesn't actually blink, it's just because it's on camera. So then once you load up your pod here, then you can choose the settings. So it's very simple. You choose the size right here, right? And then you can rotate the strength. You can choose the temperature, and then if you're doing it over ice, it's right there. And these are memory settings, so if you have multiple people who like their coffee differently, you use that. And here's the tray at the bottom, so this comes out for easy cleaning. You can just see that in there, just slides right in. You can also remove that, clean it. Here's the water tank, just fill that up. And you can just store water in there as long as you want. And it comes out just like that. It's quiet, doesn't make any noise, it goes really fast, so you have coffee instantly, very quickly. Then you just add your milk. Good to go.